I want to talk today about a tool tube that's been developed specifically for the Yamaha Super Tenere by a rider in our community, Richard Mourdock. Richard sent me this some time ago. It's something that he designed and built himself, and it's used primarily for tools that you really need quick access to that might be narrow and thin, long, that oftentimes fall to the bottom of your panniers, things like sockets, Allen wrenches, extensions, ratchets, things like that. Richard designed this to attach to two casting points on the Yamaha engine that are no longer used after the engine was built and the motorcycle was put together. They attach very securely. This is not going anywhere. Now, to access the items, it's got a cotter pin here. You just pull out, remove the cap, and then you've got this rod that is used to extract stuff from the may have fallen down to the bottom, so when the bike is on its side stand, if there's anything that is really kind of stuck at the bottom, you can easily snatch it. Now, this tool tube has been on my bike for over 1,000 miles now. It's been very secure. It's not going anywhere, and it's held up really well. I highly recommend it. Now, you can get these directly from Richard. I'm going to put his contact information there. It's $50 for each one. It includes everything you need, all the bolts and everything, and you're ready to go. Installation only takes a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It's incredibly easy, well built and designed, and you can help support another rider in the Super Tenere community. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.